Will change? Okay. So today I'm going to talk about which truly defines us, building relationship. So in the networking, usually it is not about what we know, whom we know. It is all about how well we know about the person and how much we take care of the person. So that is why business always happens in speed of trust. So the foundation of networking. So if you see BNI, everybody says that BNI group is just a referral group. Is it so? It is not about referral, but it is about relationship. And when we go into any kind of a networking, we don't just collect card. We connect with minds and heart of the people. And maybe you have thousands of contacts in your phone book or you have millions of followers. But when you have a problem or you need a favor, how many of us will contact how many of them? And how many of them are going to reciprocate and answer yes? So I can tell you an example within our chapter itself. When Mr. Chandra Mohan wanted to change of job, Akhil came forward, giving him a new job. So this is not business. This is bonding. So trust is the real currency. The real currency means we need to invest and we can withdraw when the deposit is enough in our bank. So what is our investment? Our investment should be time, support, attention and credibility. And the withdrawals will be our favor, referral, help and whatsoever. So I can tell you another example from within our chapter as a impact happened in our chapter when our member Mamoor, he closed down his business, he went back and when he came back, Tanveer offered him a job. He offered him a position in his company. Why? Because Mamoor have invested his relationship and have gained back the trust of Tanveer so that it is a small reminder for each of us that we have to keep depositing in each one's account, that is trust. Ivan Meissner, our BNI founder, he always says, be interested, not just interesting. So it means what? When we go for a networking event, we try to impress other. The secret is we have to understand rather instead of impressing other. We need to ask questions like, what made you to start this business? How can I help you this month? Or you can ask, what is your dream client? So these kind of a questions makes them understand that you really care about other person instead of making you tell them that what you know. So give first and the givers gain mindset. It is the philosophy of BNI is always givers gain. Even Tanveer spoke in his core value about givers gain. We have to always first give to get the business. So without any expectation, we need to give. So another example, when Reena was looking out for an office space, Akhil again offered her an office space in his place. So it is both are benefited. It is a win-win situation. So this actually it's a master connects so that you have like the generosity have gained the trust and it builds a long-term business relationship. So that is how our galaxy always works. We are born together. Build credibility and comfort. We have to always build the credibility within the people. The credibility is not happens overnight. It has to be consistent. It has to be throughout our life. So we have to always keep up the promise, do the follow-ups, remember small things like birthdays, the wins, the family advice, family updates, all that. So whose birthday is tomorrow? In our chapter, we have a birthday tomorrow. Two people actually. Two people inside this room's birthday tomorrow. Yes, one is right. Yes, our ST's birthday as well as our ambassador's birthday tomorrow. And 28th of this month, I think, where is Darren? Your dad's birthday is on 28th. Right, Darren? She don't remember because she belonged to our galaxy family, so I remember. So it is all about small things to remember, and the care should be consistent, and it is not just one time. So diplomacy in relationship. Again, Ivan Meissner always says that the art of diplomacy, it is always make the other people do in your way when it is they are willing to do. The diplomacy, it always leads with the empathy and not ego. Even in our own chapter, we have difference in opinion, but still we respect each other's opinion. So BNI is not just a referral group, it is about relationship, trust, and belonging. So we are a small knit group, and that's why we are superpower. And if we have expand our warmth to other people, Galaxy will be a superpower not only here in UAE but all over the world. That's what I feel. So the call of action is reach out to any member whom you don't know at all. Ask them what is their goal and ask them how can you help so that you can open a door of business. Relationship first, referrals next. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Ms.